starts ticking the moment they are called in the first 48 hours.
We need to get this guy in here today.
What's good, everybody? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I'm bringing y'all my first 48 hours with the Galaxy Note 9. Really got the device right here in hand. Got it on Thursday, pre-ordered it, got it a day early. So shout out to Verizon, and really in love with the device, really feeling the device. In the first 48 hours, I realized a couple things about this device. 4,000 milliamps. The battery life is for real. Definitely getting some great battery life. Haven't really calculated it and charged it to 100 and ran it all day because my days have been kind of broke up. But I'm already impressed with the battery life. So that's something I'm feeling. You know what I mean? One thing I'm not feeling though actually is the blue. It's not that bad, but I wish it came out in black. It's a little darker blue than I thought. I thought ocean blue would be more towards electric blue or something like that, or electra, but it's definitely not it's cool, but it's not, my choice. I would rather have a straight black phone with a black and a gold S Pen where the S Pen is gold at. Another thing about the phone, the S Pen is for real. S Pen is definitely for real. It feels way better than the S Pen on the Note 8. And I'm not a guy to just jump on something and say, hey, just because it's new is way better. But I'm noticing, like, when I'm doing something with my S Pen, or like I'm writing something, like let's say I'm texting, but I want to write out my text with the S Pen, it's way more fluid. My handwriting is way better with this S Pen for some reason. I don't know if I don't know if it's the smaller tip or it's a little thicker, I'm not sure, but I'm doing way better with the S Pen as far as like writing messages and things of that nature. My handwriting is better, so it's a better translation, so things are more productive. But yeah, in this first 48 hours, like I said, got it on Thursday. The camera's for real. The selfie camera's for real. The selfie camera is not a pixel, but I say this, as far as camera phones go, I will put this as far as the phones that I have came in contact with, I put it at like number 2, honestly, against the iPhone X, because these Samsung devices, especially this Note 9, you don't have to give it what you have to give the iPhone X. I record videos on phones all the time, so when it comes to the iPhone X, I have to like make sure the lighting is super perfect to get that great video I want. But with these phones, specifically with Samsung, videos come out crisp even when I don't have all the settings not perfect. But on this phone right here, it's taking great pictures out back and really nice selfies out front. I've been posting them to my Instagram. If you're not following me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. But yeah, my experience with the phone, the speaker sounds phenomenal. It sounds better than the S9 Plus. I have the S9 Plus. That's what I'm recording this video with. And it sounds actually better than the S9 Plus. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, it's like a fuller, more surround. I don't know if it's the way the phone is built. But the surround speakers on this thing are for real. They sound really good. They give, like, it's not just volume, it's like a more, like you get in multi-directional sound.
I'll be late for that, baby, I wait for that. If you had a taste of that, you probably pay for that. I'm coming in when I feel like to turn this motherfucker up only if it feels right. I'll be late for that, I can't wait for that. I think I was made for that.
From a cellular device, so that's really dope. I mean, everything else y'all already know. Y'all already know how Samsung rocking. Excuse that, I'm outside, being one with nature. But the display is great. It's gonna look great, great quality, good camera so far. My complaint is I wish they didn't change I wish we had a black one. I really would like black. I mean, the blue is cool, whatever. I'm not knocking it, saying it's the worst, but I'd rather have black. I'm not really into this ocean blue. I'm not in the colors that change colors. Like sometimes you can look at this phone, it'll look black. You know, sometimes it look blue straight on, then to the side it look black. And when it does that, when it do all that flipping, it's hard for me to find the case that's just right, the case that I want. So I'm probably going to try the D-brand skin approach on this device. But other than that, I almost dropped it. That wouldn't have been a good look because I'm out here on the cement. But other than that, I'll say in the first 48, the camera is for real. The S Pen is great. Not really feeling the color. I mean, you already know the display was going to be great. The battery life is looking very, very promising. I mean, I haven't really done a real complete test, but I've been noticing like, yo, this battery is still here, you know, and I've been on this thing like kind of heavy in between time, but I just ain't really had a full day with it yet because I'm kind of busy. But battery life is for real. Speakers sound great. I mean, really, this is a contender for the phone of 2018. I mean, for a phone to really outshine this phone in 2018, it's going to be hard. It's going to need some serious competition. I'm sure I will file up some cons to this phone. Like, you know, I said the color, but that's just kind of like, you know, you can kind of say that's nitpicking. I don't like that it's still 2.0 quick charge. That's some old technology. They need a better quick charge. Samsung, I don't know why they brought this phone out with that quick charge. Oh yeah, the Bixby button. I mean, that's, you know, that's a universal knock. All right, YouTube you go to, they're gonna say the Bixby button is horrible, and I'm gonna say the Bixby button, y'all need to get rid of that, or let me do what I want with it. You can put Bixby on the phone, put the Bixby button on the phone, but if I want to do something else with it, I can do something else with it. There, but I'm taking some really good pictures. Really dope. The S Pen, I haven't really been using the remote features as much as I, you know, as like they advertise it. I'm not gonna say it's a gimmick yet. Like I just really haven't settled in with the device. I've took a picture with the S Pen. I think it's pretty cool, but I haven't really utilized it for a real reason, except for just to do it, just to say I've done it. So I'm trying to come across a situation where it'll come in handy. But more so, it will probably come in handy when I'm using this device to record videos, which I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of, creating a lot of content with this device, because my channel is based off phones. I'm a phone content creator. I love creating content with phones, man. I like taking, you know, it's easy when you got, you know, $1,000 camera, things of that nature. You know, it's easy to make. I'm not gonna say it's easy, but I'm gonna say, you know, it's supposed to, your stuff is supposed to look, you know, super crispy. But, you know, a guy with a phone, with just phones, and he can have a crisp, you know what I'm saying, he can create crisp content. That's what's up. But yeah, first 48 with this, man, this is definitely a pickup, you know what I mean? Stream last night real heavy. Shout out to everybody that came through the stream last night. Team 100 was in there. The Stud, the Tech Gentleman, Forbes, RP3, Phone Tech at Work. And like I said, yeah, shout out to Tech Right for coming through last night. But we talked about it, and the price. I mean, compared to what's going on now, this is not a bad price. You actually, Samsung is giving you free ear, especially if you pre-order. You're getting free earbuds, free headphones. You can say the earbuds worth $50, headphones worth $100. That's $150 off right there. Even though I have the 512 8 gig, which is working flawlessly, running great. I must say I ain't had one hiccup, one lag yet. You know what I'm saying? And I don't expect to. I spent my $12.50 plus tax. I don't expect to have one piece of lag. You know what I mean? It's 8 gigs, 512 gigabytes of internal storage. You know what I mean? Everything should be light work to this phone. But like I said, even the base model at $1,000, you're getting free earbuds, free headphone, S Pen, Bluetooth connectivity. If any other company had a pen like that connected to their phone, or sold a pen like that, stylus like that for their phone, it would be $200. It would be from $150 to $200 for sure. So, you know what I mean? It's just the price of things is the That's just how the market is right now. This $1,000 is a lot of money for a phone, but this phone right here is something special. So it's just not $1,000 for any phone. You know what I'm saying? Phone shouldn't cost $1,000, but I'm talking about in today's market, this phone is worth the $1,000. But yeah, man, I'm having a great time with the phone. I'm going to continue coverage. I got case videos coming. It's your man BG. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. And I'm out. Peace.